Welcome back, children. Now, sometimes, now this is another video which I have made. This is to explain you that how do you can identify that where to put er form of adjectives or where to put est form of adjectives, or where to put more or where to put the most. So here in this sentence, here just comparison between two nouns are given. In this exercise it is just two nouns. What you have to do is you have to identify. Okay, now here it is, Burj Khalifa is dash any other building in the world. Now here it is only one building. Now this is 1 and 2, comparison between two. Okay, any other building. If it would have been buildings, then it would have been Burj Khalifa is the tallest. Okay, it's the tallest in the world. Understood? So it should be is taller than any other building in the world. June is dash April. June and April. Now two months comparison we are making. June is hot, hotter. June is hotter than April. Then the road is dash the bridge. The road, comparison between road and bridge. So the road is, what is the adjective given? Wide. So it should be wider. Saloni is dash her sister. Now what is the adjective given? Young. So Saloni is, here it will be than, wider than the bridge. Saloni is younger than her sister. Understood? Last I will do with you. The sun is dash the moon. What is the comparison between sun and moon? Two nouns. The sun is, what is the adjective? Bright. So it should be brighter than. Sun is brighter than the moon. Understood? I hope you have understood. Next, here one more thing is, many children will write intelligenter. No, that is wrong. Here we will put Megha is more. Okay, more intelligent than also we will put, because it is necessary, than Ravi. Understood? I hope you have understood. Now rest of the sentences you can do, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Same way I will go for exercise E. Now what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. Now here it can be comparison between 3 also, comparison between 2 also. Now you have to identify the sentence. Mount Everest is, now here it is given the, and we are talking about the peak in the world. That means in this world there are many mountain peaks. So comparison between more than 2. So it should be highest. Okay, the highest peak in the world. Understood? Because world में तो और भी कितनी सारी mountain peak हैं, isn't it? और वो 2 से ज़्यादा हैं, and it's more than 2. So it should be EST, because we are comparing between more than 2. Now Ajay has the dash voice in the group. Now in the group many other boys are also there, more than 2. So Ajay has the sweetest voice in our group. Now here the pink dress is dash than the white one. Here than is used, and 2, pink dress and white dress, comparison between 2, pink dress and white dress. And when we make comparison between 2, it should be, and what is the adjective here? Beautiful. Shall it be beautifuler? Beautifuler hona chahiye? No, it should not be beautifuler. It should be is more beautiful. Is more beautiful. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sentences you can do by yourself, and if you have any doubts you can ask. Now here I asked you to do this exercise D. This also few of the exercises I'm doing with you. Mama bought some here interesting, more interesting, most interesting books for me. Now here no comparison is being made. यहाँ पे कोई भी comparison नहीं हो रहा है. So you will use simple. Mama bought some interesting books for me, not more, not most. ये wrong हो जाएगा because यहाँ पे कोई comparison किसी ने थोड़ी ना किया है. यहाँ जो simply बोला गया that mama brought some interesting books for me. Now Ganga is dash than the Yamuna. Now here the comparison is being made between two rivers, Ganga and Yamuna. So it should be ER. Okay, the Ganga is longer than the Yamuna. I hope you have understood. If still any doubt arises, you can ask. Thank you so much.